Anthropic just dropped Claude Opus 4.8, and it does something almost no other AI model does well. It actually tells you the truth instead of confidently making things up. It writes content, fixes code, and runs long, multi-step tasks without falling apart halfway through. And the headline upgrade isn't raw intelligence, it's honesty and reliability. Stick around, because the third thing I show you is the one almost nobody is talking about, and it's the biggest deal of all. Let's get into it. First, let me quickly explain what Opus 4.8 even is. Anthropic makes Claude. Claude is the AI that goes head-to-head with ChatGPT and Gemini. Opus is their top, most powerful tier, and 4.8 is the newest version of it. This isn't a brand new model built from scratch. It's a sharper, smarter, more reliable version of the last one, Opus 4.7. Better coding, better reasoning, better at sticking with long tasks without getting lost. And here's the part that got me. The biggest upgrade isn't raw smarts, it's reliability. The model is available right now at the same price as its predecessor, and it's rolling out across everything: the Claude app, Claude Code, and the API. Anthropic themselves describe it as a modest but tangible improvement, which is refreshingly honest framing for a company announcing its own product. The benchmark jumps are real but incremental. The reliability gains are where it actually matters. So here's the first big thing, the honesty upgrade. You know that thing where you ask an AI a question and it gives you an answer that sounds amazing, looks perfect, and is completely, totally wrong? It hallucinated. It made something up and said it with a straight face, full confidence, zero hesitation. That's a nightmare, especially if you're using AI for anything where accuracy matters: research, content, code, analysis. Anthropic says Opus 4.8 is specifically built to be more honest, and they put a real number on it. The model is around 4 times less likely than Opus 4.7 to let flaws in code it has written pass without flagging them. Early testers report it's more willing to say, "I'm not sure about this part," more willing to flag uncertainty, and less likely to just claim it nailed something when it didn't. Think about how big that actually is. Most AI models have a confidence problem. They project certainty whether it's warranted or not. A model that says, "Hey, double check this part before you rely on it," is a model you can actually trust to do real work. Anthropic frames this as a core trait of the Opus line, and 4.8 pushes it further than any model they've shipped. There's a deeper layer here too. Anthropic's own alignment testing found that Opus 4.8 hits new highs on what they call pro-social traits, supporting user autonomy and acting in the user's best interest. Rates of deceptive or misaligned behavior are substantially lower than 4.7, and actually comparable to Claude Mythos Preview, which is their best aligned model to date. So this isn't just fewer hallucinations, it's a model designed to genuinely act in your interest. The second big upgrade is that 4.8 can work longer on its own without falling apart. Here's the old problem with AI models. They were smart, but fragile. You'd give one a big task with lots of steps, and after a few steps it would get lost, forget what it was doing, make a mistake, and not even tell you. It's like hiring someone, giving them a 10-step job, and they nail steps 1 and 2, then wander off and start watering the plants. Technically capable, practically useless. Opus 4.8 is built to fix exactly that. It can stick with a long task, step after step after step, without losing the thread. And if it makes a mistake mid-task, it's much better at catching and correcting it on its own. The benchmark numbers back this up. Agentic coding performance rose from 64.3% to 69.2%. Agentic computer use ticked up, and knowledge work scores jumped significantly. The team behind Devin, the AI coding agent, specifically noted that the tool calling and verbosity issues from 4.7 are now fixed. And alongside the model, Anthropic shipped a feature called dynamic workflows in Claude Code. This is genuinely wild. Claude can now plan work and run hundreds of parallel sub-agents in a single session, and complete code-based scale migrations across hundreds of thousands of lines of code. That's not a chatbot anymore. That's closer to an automated team that works while you do something else. Now the third thing, and this is the one nobody's really talking about, the agentic shift. Agentic is a fancy word, so let me make it dead simple. It means the AI can take real actions and complete a goal, not just answer a question. It works through an actual project, checks its own work, and brings you back something finished. Opus 4.8 is leaning hard into this, and here's why that matters for anyone doing real work. So much of knowledge work is grunt work, fixing things, cleaning up, formatting, building things out, checking what's broken. That's the stuff that eats your entire day. An agentic model that can actually do those tasks reliably without you babysitting every step is a fundamentally different tool than a chatbot you copy-paste from. Combine the three upgrades: better, more reliable coding, plus the ability to work longer on its own, plus genuine honesty about what's actually done versus what still needs checking. Put those three together, and you've got a tool that can genuinely take real tasks off your plate. Not in some far-off future, but right now. Anthropic also added a couple of practical features worth knowing about. There's a new effort control in the Claude app and in Cowork, so you can choose how much effort Claude puts into a response. Lower effort for faster answers that use your limits more slowly, higher effort for the best quality. Opus 4.8 defaults to high effort. And on the developer side, the Messages API now lets you update Claude's instructions mid-task, which is a small change that makes a big difference for long-running agent workflows. So how do you actually get the most out of this? Here's the single biggest tip. The more context you give it, the better it performs. Don't just say, write me something or fix my code. Tell it the goal. Tell it the constraints. Tell it what you want the end result to do. Give it the target and it hits the target. That one habit will dramatically improve the quality of everything you get back. And here's the thing most people miss. The AI doesn't replace your strategy, it just does the work faster. You still need to know what you're aiming at, you still need a plan, but once you've got that plan, Opus 4.8 can do a genuinely scary amount of the heavy lifting for you. Let me zoom out for a second, because this is bigger than just one model release. The whole industry is shifting from AI that answers questions to AI that finishes jobs. For years, AI was a clever helper. You asked, it replied. Now it's becoming something that can chase a goal and bring you back a finished result. And the people who learn to use these tools the right way are going to pull way ahead of the people who don't. It really is that simple. There's also a bigger thing on the horizon. Anthropic said that Claude Mythos, described as a genuine step change above Opus, not just an incremental bump, is coming to all customers in the coming weeks, once they finish the safety work. So Opus 4.8 might actually be the warm-up act for something much bigger. So here's the takeaway. Claude Opus 4.8 might not look like the biggest AI leap ever on a benchmark chart, but it could be one of the most important because it's more honest, it works longer on its own, and it actually gets things done. And with Mythos right around the corner, this is a great moment to start learning how to use these tools properly. So now I want to hear from you. What's the first task you'd hand off to Opus 4.8? Drop it in the comments, I read every single one. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.